So how familiar are you? So just so I can get an idea of who's on the call or who's on the website would be great. All right, fantastic. All right, love it. Okay, so love the perfect. So glad you're here. Average rent for a private room if you had between 2 and 3 people, right? So we talked about that. Knowing that, having an idea of what the market value is very important and will help you with your planning in terms of your budget. So what do we got? Right on. Okay, good. Looking good. Moving on.
Things on the offcampushousing.usfca.edu site been vetted for legitimacy?
Yes. Well, as best as we can.
Are these costs, so I believe this is referencing the rent averages, are these costs taking into consideration the lower rents being offered due to the pandemic?
Yeah, they do. Because of the pandemic, that was huge deductions. However, those huge deductions were really coming from downtown.
How is the commute in San Francisco if we live 5 to 6 miles away from the downtown campus?
Yeah, well, that's kind of the entire city. So whoever asked that, like, we're only 7 miles long anyway.
All right, that was the last question. Great set of questions there, though.
Yeah, that was awesome. You guys are making me work. I love it.